Okay, here's the problem. This USB flash drive was made bootable and it has a Windows 7 installation kit on it, and suddenly it's not working. So the laptop itself is working fine, Windows is starting without any problems. So as you can see, Windows is working and even the flash drive is detected and the content is there, so it's readable, it's not that damaged. But if I restart the computer, then it's not booting anymore from that USB flash drive. So let's just try it. So I'm restarting Windows, the flash drive is inserted, Windows 8.1 is shutting down, and the laptop should boot from this USB flash drive. Press any key to boot from USB. Okay, and suddenly here's the message: your PC needs to be repaired. But in fact, not the PC is damaged, but the USB flash drive is not bootable anymore. So just in case you receive this message, it might not be your computer, but your USB flash drive. If I start the laptop once again, then the PC is running just fine. So it's not your computer, it's your flash drive. I have to make it bootable once again. This flash drive has a write protection switch here. If it's pushed to the left, then you cannot write onto it, but as soon as I move it to the right, something can write onto it, and my Windows suddenly was not bootable on this flash drive.